Today we're going to show you how to install our BTX hardware onto our Axiom backs. The tool that you'll need today is a 10mm wrench. And to get started, we're going to go ahead and install the plates onto the back shell. Now I've already predetermined that based on the width of the backrest and the width of the wheelchair, that I'm going to be using the outer slots in this installation. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. At this time, I'll take my backrest. I'm going to line it up on those back canes, and I'm looking to be about 1 to 2 inches from that seat pan so I can determine where I'm going to put those mounting clamps. And then I'm going to go ahead and install my clamps onto the backrest. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. The next step is going to be to take our BTX assembly and attach that to the clamps on the backrest. We'll do the same thing on the other side. From here, I'm going to look at the indexing on the inside and make sure that my depth adjustment and angle adjustment are symmetrical on both sides before tightening it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at both of those assemblies and rotate them to make sure that they're both approximately parallel to one another. And then I'll finalize clamping down those backrest clamps. The final step is going to be to take our Axiom backrest and slide it into the BTX assembly and snap it on. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and take my other 10mm wrench and make sure that I'm nice and symmetrical looking at the slots on the backrest as well as my vertical adjustment, and then tighten those down. From here, I'm going to go ahead and remove the backrest and then make sure that it snaps back on into place. And that's how you install our BTX hardware.